Let's read about Rosie Rabbit and her cat. In this story you will read words with the short A vowel sound. The short A vowel sounds like A. Read the short A vowel words by sounding out each letter and then blend the sounds of the letters to make words. This is how to blend sounds to make words. When you see a letter, make it sound A, T. Now say both sounds A, T, A, T. Now say the sounds together At, at. Now let's add one more sound K, at, K, at. Now blend the sounds together K, at, cat. We read cat. Now we will sound out the short A vowel words that are in the story. K, a, t, cat. F, a, t, fat. H, a, t, hat. A, t, mat. P, a, t, pat. A, t, rat. S, a, t, sat. K, a, n, can. F, a, n, fan. P, a, n, pan. A, n, ran. D, a, d, dad. G, l, a, d, glad. S, a, d, sad. Now it's your turn to sound out the words when I point to them. Now let's learn some more useful words that are in the story. Say each word after me. A, and, are, as, be. Do, has, have, help. In, is, my, not, on. Red, Rosie, Rosies. Said, sit, the, to. Now we're ready to read about Rosie Rabbit and her cat. When you see the orange dot under a word, read it. Now it's my turn to read. Pat is Rosie's cat. Pat has a red hat. Pat sat on the hat. The cat is fat and the hat is flat. A can, a fan and a pan on the mat. Pat sat on the mat. Rat sat on the can. Rat sat on the pan. Pat sat on the pan. Help, said Rat. Rat ran to Dad. Rat is sad, said Dad to Pat. Do not be sad, Rat, said Pat. Sit in my red hat. Pat can have a pan as a hat, said Dad. Pat, Rat, Rosie and Dad are glad. We did it.